In the fast evolving world of electric and hybrid vehicles, Chinese automakers like BYD and Great Wall Motors are no longer just playing catch up, they are leading the charge with groundbreaking innovations that are setting new global standards for technology, affordability, and sustainability. Historically, China wasn't the go to name in automotive technology. BYD began in 1995 as a battery manufacturer for phones and laptops. GWM, founded in 1984, focused primarily on trucks and budget SUVs. Meanwhile, Japanese brands like Toyota and Honda were pioneering hybrid tech with the launch of models like the Prius. Then came the first wave of Chinese hybrids and EVs around 2008. BYD introduced the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid, the F3DM, even before the Chevy Volt hit the market. But back then, Chinese cars were still seen as clunky and low-ranged. That perception is now being shattered. Fast forward to 2025, BYD is not only competing globally, it's actually beating Tesla in total new energy vehicle sales in China. Great Wall Motors, through its sub-brands like Aura and Haval, has been launching stunningly smart and stylish electric vehicles that are packed with advanced driver assist technologies. Let's take a closer look at three standout models that are turning heads worldwide. First, the BYD Celion 07 DMI. This is not just another SUV, it's a technological powerhouse. With a staggering 820-mile range, it's the longest-range plug-in hybrid on the market. But that's just the beginning. It features a retractable drone pad. Yes, you heard that right. The drone can take off, land, and even charge right on the vehicle, offering surveillance, filming, or pure novelty for enthusiasts. The Celion 07 also introduces DiPilot 300, a next-gen autonomous driving suite that includes LiDAR, triple cameras, and urban autopilot capabilities. And let's not forget the 5th generation DMI hybrid system, which offers seamless switching between gas and electric with ultra-low fuel consumption. Next up is the BYD Seagull, a compact EV that's turning the concept of affordability on its head. Starting at just $9,540, it brings real electric mobility to the masses. But don't be fooled by the price. It's packed with smart tech like DiPilot 100, which uses 12 HD cameras to offer advanced safety and driver assist features usually reserved for vehicles 3 times the price. With a range of up to 252 miles, it's perfect for urban commuting, and its lightweight blade battery ensures top-notch safety and efficiency. The Seagull isn't just a car, it's a movement. Over 500,000 units sold in less than 2 years proves that the world is ready for smart, clean, affordable transport. Then comes the GWM Haval Xiaolong Max. This mid-size hybrid SUV offers a 746-mile range and a futuristic cockpit powered by CoffeeOS 3. Facial recognition, voice control, and a full digital interface make it feel more like a spaceship than a family SUV. Its Coffee Pilot Plus driver assist system rivals luxury brands like Audi and BMW. It includes smart parking, real-time obstacle avoidance, and autonomous lane changes, all while remaining competitively priced. It's a serious contender against models like the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV and the Kia Sorento Hybrid. It means China is no longer following, it's leading. These vehicles are redefining the global standards for innovation, range, affordability, and green energy ethics. BYD's cobalt-free blade battery technology, for example, is not only safer and longer lasting, it also avoids the human rights controversies linked to cobalt mining in Africa. And globally, we're seeing a shift. Nations in Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, and Africa are adopting these vehicles in growing numbers. In fact, BYD and GWM are starting to challenge even the biggest Western brands in key markets. These aren't just Chinese cars anymore, they're the blueprint for the future of transportation. Cleaner, smarter, more affordable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you think about these Chinese EVs?